Hello class 9. Now we're going to discuss programming question number 8 of chapter 7. Question number 8, write a program to input three unequal numbers, three different numbers, not the same number, and display the greatest and the smallest number. Question is to write a program to input three unequal numbers and display the greatest and the smallest both the number. Like sample input 28, 98, 58. So what is sample output? Greatest number 98, the smallest number 28. See 28, 98, 58, greatest number is 98. So what is output? Greatest number 98 and the smallest number 28. Okay. Now let us see the program. So we have to input three numbers to import util package. Public class greatest smallest, class name public class greatest smallest. Main method, scanner in equal to new scanner, creating the scanner object. System out println enter first number, int a equal to int dot next int. System out println enter second number, int b equal to int dot next int. System out println enter third number, int c equal to int dot next int. Now we're checking for the greatest number. First we'll check for the greatest number. So these three lines will check for the greatest number. If a greater than b and a greater than c, then system out println greatest number a. Else if b greater than a, checking for the second one b. Else if first condition is false, then else if b greater than a and b greater than c. If b is second number is greater than first number and second number is greater than third number, then system out println greatest number b. Else if c greater than a and c greater than b, means c is greater than a also and greater than b also. The greatest number is c, then system out println greatest number c. So this if else if statement will check for the greatest number and print either a, b or c. Now check for the smallest number. If a less than b and a less than c, then system out println smallest number a. Else if b less than a and b again less than c also. If b is less than a and b less than c, then system out println smallest number b. Else if c less than a and c less than b, then system out println smallest number c. So this will check for the smallest number and print the number a, b or c. Now let us check this program in BlueJ. Program is already typed greatest smallest. See public class greatest smallest, entering the first number a, entering the second number b, entering the third number c. If a greater than b and a greater than c, then greatest number a. Else if b greater than a and b greater than c, then greatest number b. Else if c greater than a and c greater than b, then greatest number c. Now checking for smallest number. If a is less than b and a less than c, then println a. Else if b is less than a and b is also less than c, then smallest number b. Else if c is less than a and c is less than b also, then smallest number c. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close and give the close, right click, void main, OK, and give the same number what is given in the question, that is 34, that is 29, 98 and 56. Suppose 29 first number, second number 98, third number 56. This is the greatest number 98, smallest number 29. Once again run the same program, input some other value. Suppose first number 67, second number 87, third number 99. The greatest number 99, smallest number 67. Okay, so this is question number 8. Now question number 9. Now what is question number 9? A prepaid taxi charges the passenger as per the tariff given below. What is the tariff? Up to 5 km the rate is tariff is rupees 100. For the next 10 kilometer means above 5 for the next 10. So above 5 till less than equal to 15 kilometer, rupees 10 per kilometer. After that, above 15 for the next 10, means above 15 till less than equal to 25, rupees 8 per kilometer. More than 25 kilometer is rupees 5 kilometer. Write a program to input the distance covered and calculate the amount to be paid by the passenger, and the program displays the printed bill with the details given below. Like it prints the taxi number, that means we have to input the taxi number. It means we have to input the taxi number. Okay. Then distance covered and amount to be paid. So this much you have to print as a bill. On what you have to input? First you have to input the taxi number and then distance covered. Okay. Now see the program. We are going to the import. So import the util package, public class taxi bill, a scanner method in, system out println, enter taxi number. The taxi number consists of some alphabets and digits both. So it will be string type. A string TNO taxi number equal to in.nextLine method. We are using the next line method to input the string, that is taxi number. And system out println enter distance covered, int d equal to in.nextInt. This is the distance covered. Int amount equal to 0 in the beginning. If d less than equal to 5, distance covered is less than equal to 5, then how much it will be amount? Amount will be 100 rupees. If d is greater than 5 and less than equal to, if distance is greater than 5 kilometer and less than equal to 10 kilometer, then for the first 100, for the first 5 kilometer, 100 rupee charge, and above 5, suppose 8 kilometer, distance covered travel is 8 kilometer. The 8 minus 5 means 3. For the 3 kilometer he has to pay 10 rupees per. So 3 into 10, 30 rupees. So how much will be the amount to be paid? 130 rupees. Else if it is less than greater than 15, if it is greater than 15 and less than equal to 25, then for the first 5 kilometer 100, for the next 5 kilometer 10 into 10, 10 into 10, 100, and above 20, and above that distance minus 15 into 8. Okay. Else means above 25, the first 5 kilometer 100 rupees, next 10 kilometer 100 rupees, and next 10 kilometer 8 into 10 80 rupees. Now distance is suppose 28. The 28 minus 25 comes 3. The 3 into 5 rupees. According to question, above 25 kilometer rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay, this is amount to be paid. Now system out println taxi number TNO, system out println distance covered D, and system out println amount is what? AMT. Now let us do this program in BlueJ. Open BlueJ. Program name taxi bill. Enter taxi number, enter distance covered, int amount equal to 0. If d less than equal to 0, amount equal to 100. The same program, if d greater than 5 and less than equal to 10, then 100 plus d minus 5. Okay. So compile the program, printing the taxi number, printing the distance covered, printing the amount. Compile the program. No syntax error. Close. Right click. Void main. Okay. Enter the taxi number. Suppose JH0AD is the 0634. The taxi number, distance covered, suppose 26 kilometer. It printed taxi number JH0AD, number 0634, distance covered 26 kilometer, and amount to be paid is 285 rupees. Once again, right click, void main, okay. Suppose number is JHOLD, number 2648. number 2648. Okay, once again give inter distance, suppose distance 678 kilometer. So taxi number, distance covered 678 kilometer, amount 3545. All right, so program is correct, you got the correct output. So in today's class we have discussed programming question number 8 and programming question number 9. So write both the program and practice, write in your computer copy. Thank you.